Hello everyone, welcome to my little country kitchen. My name is Marianne, and did you guys see this video from Dr. Berg on how to make like your own prebiotic? He didn't call it a yogurt, but he basically made this prebiotic with 3 ingredients. Half and half, and it's ultra pasteurized. Some inulin powder, tablespoon of that, and then I'm going to be using a seed because it has a probiotic and a prebiotic in it. I'm just going to open a capsule and stick one of those in. And I'm going to use my KBS bread maker because it has a setting on there to make yogurt. I believe the setting is around 108 degrees. That's not ideal. We want it to be around 100 for 12 hours minimum. And I'm just going to make it twice and we'll see how I like it this way in the bread machine, and then the next time I can possibly use my immersion bath thing with my sous vide thing contraption. Need to get that up. So let's get going and making this. Using the half and half, I'm just going to pour in a little bit to start with. I need to make a paste to get these ingredients incorporated. There's a tablespoon of inulin, and inulin is sourced from the blue agave plant from Mexico. So that's what that is. So it's just organic blue agave inulin powder. And these seeds, if you've ever seen one, it has the prebiotic on the outside. That's that brown powder. See that? And then it has the probiotic on the inside, so it actually gets down to your guts. These work very well, especially if you have any gut bacterial issues. Okay, we're just going on them. Mix this until it really incorporates together. Basically dissolves. Okay, I think that looks good. Still a lot on the spoon. Get a knife. I want every bit of that goodness in the half and half mixture. Apparently this is really gut healing for anybody with SIBO, bacterial issues, fungal issues. Now I'm just gonna pour it in my machine. I could not figure out how to get the paddle out. I watched a couple tutorials and it was not budging, so I'm like, okay, we'll just leave it. It's not gonna hurt the yogurt. I'm gonna scrape out every bit. Hold. It's plugged in. On. Oh, menu. Menu. Need to go to 15 for yogurt. Menu 15, and then want to increase the hours. All right, there it is. We'll be back tomorrow. And if you like these kinds of videos, hit that subscribe button down below. It's free. Like, subscribe, share with someone else if you think they will benefit from something like this. And we'll see you in a bit. Okay, it's the next day, and I had to start it over again. And so it's been going 12 hours plus another 6. And I added half a cup of, oh, goodness, of our favorite yogurt. It's called Greek Gods. I like this yogurt because it has 7 live active cultures. This is crazy. It separated it. Not quite sure this is what I was supposed to make, but okay, let's see what's going on. So I have a strainer and some cloth. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this out and separate it, since it basically made curds and whey. Maybe it's because it was too hot. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see if this is anything edible after it strains. We'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna call this medicine because that's what it is. After I blended it, it is way more tolerable. It already took a couple spoonfuls. And it has, I did put some black cherry yogurt in it, so it has a mild black cherry flavor. Barely sweet though. Tomorrow I'm going to mix it with one of my homemade jams as well, so I could, so it's more palatable. I'm still considering this a medicine. It's not a yogurt. It's way different than yogurt. And different ingredients, so this is for my gut health. We'll see how it goes. Hey, do you remember that SIBO that I made before? Of course you do, because I'm adding this right after. This was the whey that I poured off of the yogurt mixture that was left over, so I'm actually going to make this into a shake. Probably make at least 2, maybe 3. So, and then I'm going to put some whey powder in here. I have some chocolate cake flavored whey powder. It has a ton of protein in it. Let me show you. Yeah, 1 scoop has 25 grams of protein and only 5 carbs. Oh, you can't see it because my finger's in the way. Stay still. Focus. Now to make it more like a shake, I'm going to add about a cup of ice. This takes forever to come out. There we go. And because this is chocolate, and I love the chocolate peanut butter flavor, we're going to add some peanut butter. And this is obviously optional, because peanut butter definitely has carbs in it. Let's see. Yeah, there's 6 carbs in 2 tablespoons. But I'm alright with that because I haven't eaten any carbs today whatsoever. Oh, I guess I did some in my apple. Anywho, I'm still below my limit of 19 grams. Hang on. Maybe I'll just do 1 tablespoon. Okay, let's get this mixing, and then I'll taste it. I like these baby jars because this is 1 portion. This will maybe make a cup and a half, maybe 2 cups. We'll see. That's Probably really thick. Oh, it's pretty good. Okay, let's taste it. So the first half of that video, that SIBO yogurt stuff, that only lasted for about a week or two. I actually forgot about it for a month in my fridge, and I just had to throw it away because it went moldy, of course. But the whey from that yogurt that I poured off, since it had like this much of clear liquid on top, it kept it in an anaerobic state, so it's still perfect. It was great. That's what I poured into this shake. So let's taste this chocolate peanut butter shake. That is keto and low carb. Let's see, 5, it's about 7 to 10 carbs. Okay, yeah, there's the peanut butter. Yeah, I think it's perfectly balanced. Because I use the whey, it's not too sweet, and because I added the peanut butter, it adds some salt. So I think that's amazing. I'm gonna get myself a straw and drink it right out of the jar, because why dirty another cup? More dishes. Yeah. Thank you for joining me, and join me Friday for my next video on Make It March. You'll love what I'm making with my ugly chicken. Come join me. Bye.